So we're gonna start this one with, the end of the phrase where we ended last time. And this was, the four count, I think. So we went 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. I'm wrong. That's actually the four count right there at the end of the last choreography that we did. And so we're 4 counts away from the end of that whole phrase. And so those counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And that's the end of the actual phrase. And that's where I start into my reverse weave. So I will continue to count regular count from here because that's where we are in the music. So if I start there and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, this goes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Open weave. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Cross weave. 3 and 4, 5, 6. Snap back. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side pass 3 and 4 into a sweetheart. Tick tocks 3 and 4. Right turn 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And that's actually a 3, 4. And there's 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of the phrase. You'll do whatever you do.